Hi, I'm Rich Sampson with Lucky 13 Recycling in beautiful Fort Pierce, Florida. I started this about 3 years ago with a vacant piece of land and a dream. My tree company was dumping large amounts of debris at another facility, and it was getting to be too costly. So we decided to give our hand at starting a recycling facility. You know, we demoed every grinder pretty much known to man, and we landed with the Rotochopper. Got a great coloring system, great product, and our best thing is, I like to have allies in my business, and I really felt like the staff was allying up with us. You know, they're going to take care of us when we needed help. Their service has been phenomenal. The machine is very well put together, and now we're fully open, and we're taking in about 30 to 35 trucks a day. We're recycling all our mixed vegetation and selling that to some compost facilities. And all our hardwood we're separating and coloring with the Rotochopper and the coloring system, and we're making beautiful organic colored mulch that we're selling to a lot of local landscapers and landscape supply companies. I tell a lot of people about Rotochoppers when they say, hey, what kind of grinder you got? And I say, we got a Rotochopper. And a lot of people that surprise me say, well, what's a Rotochopper? I'm like, well, it's one of the best grinders on the market, and that's from our experience of having grinders here. And once they look into it, they go, oh, wow, yeah, it's a great machine. I said, hey, don't believe me, come look at our machine. We have zero issues with it. The machine is powerful. It runs the mulch. We're making huge amounts of colored mulch every day. But I tell them, just from service to dependability and operational aspects of the machine is phenomenal. And I've really preached the word about it every time we talk to anybody.
What I like most about the machine is you can basically run the entire machine yourself. One person do everything the machine needs to do, from running it, coloring with it, changing the screens, changing the teeth. Every piece of the machine is able to be done by yourself. The guys at Rotochopper that brought us the machine set the programs up, and I haven't had to change anything. Everything's simple. It's push one button and you're on the move.
So the other thing we really love about the Rotochopper is the quick screen change aspect. Myself and Shane, we thought we were going to be the only ones working here. So, every other model we demoed, it took a lot of effort to change the screens and a lot of time. Shane can change these screens out, teeth and everything within an hour to two himself. We didn't believe any other screen change would be as quick or as efficient as what we've seen with the Rotochopper and what we're doing. And believe me, when we had the other machines out here, we were breaking them down. We wanted to see every aspect of it before we made the investment. And like I said, from start to finish, from personnel to the equipment, it's been Rotochopper all the way for us without a second thought.